To survive in today's world of competition and dynamic lifestyle, quality education is the only option. In year 2002, a visionary saw a dream of rural development and started his journey based on Gandhiji's principle of back to village. His sheer determination converted a barren land in Gadinglas into a professional education group. This goal-conscious individual is none other than Advocate Anna Saheb Dattatreya Chavan. His institution is proudly recognized as Sant Gajanan Maharaj Education Group. To help rural students get right opportunities in teaching field, Maharashtra's first D.Ed college was established in year 1984. 13th February 1997, Advocate Anna Saheb Chavan marked the base of first rural hospital in Kolhapur district and Gadinglas Taluka. Starting with 30 beds, now the hospital embodies 160-bedded facility. Considering advanced medical services and professional doctors, this hospital in no time has become the most trusted medical facility amongst rural patients. For growth, young students were exposed to medical services. To add to success, Maharashtra's first and most prestigious paramedical college was started. Students from this college are successfully placed across reputed hospitals globally. Florence Nursing School and Ayurvedic College add value to SGM Hospital along with quality education. Lot of hard work and persistence was required to build SGM campus to shape the barren land into a professional education group. High power electricity, 100 Mbps leased line capacity, multiple radio frequency leased line was made available. SGM Education Group is proud to have diversified branches like M-Farm, B-Farm, D-Farm. Quality pharmacy education is provided under one roof. SGM Education Group provides various trades of education under Engineering and Diploma College, Mechanical, Electrical, Civil, Computer, Electronics and Telecommunication and Automobile. Postgraduate courses in Dietetics and DMLT are available for students. To imbibe discipline in young rural students, Military Patent School Nyan Sagar Vidyaniketan was established with modern hostel facilities. SGM Education Group introduced extensive soft skills development program called STEPS for overall personality transformation by various industry experts. Bharari Digital Solutions has helped students to earn while they learn. One important aspect of SGM Education Group comprises of library updated with more than 1 lakh national and international books, along with IIT-supported digital content. Every year, more than 2,500 students take admissions in SGM Education Group. The number seems to rise every academic year. SGM College of Engineering is AICTE approved and leading college in Kolhapur district. Expert and well-qualified staff provide practical knowledge along with professional development of students to help them grow in all areas of life. 24 hours electricity with efficient medical attention along with strong backup units. High-tech labs, 1 crore 20 lakh liters of water conservation, India's first botanical garden sponsored by Ayush has created unique identity for campus. Uninterrupted private as well as state transport facility is available for students. Canteen facility for nutritious and healthy food. Separate hostels for boys and girls. Professional facilities and high standard of education has attracted many national and international recruiters. Many multinational companies wish to be our recruitment partners in near future. SGM Education Group is recognized as one of the most important campus recruitment center in Kolhapur district. Our partners have recruited more than 2,000 students and have helped them grow in their professional career. Leadership comprises of esteemed board of directors who are highly qualified and grounded with spiritual roots. Surrounded By nature and blessings of Sant Gajanan Maharaj, strong foundation of discipline and integrity has been achieved like a pole star. We are committed to education, willful thoughts, business entrepreneurship. We welcome you to Sant Gajanan Maharaj Education Group.